man needs your help. And besides, he's already seen the bad. It's time to show him the good.
And again, what exactly is the good of me horning in on his territory?
The good is for the firm. He may not see it now, but he will.
Okay.
To horn in. To interrupt or try to become involved in something when you are not welcome. To join in something, such as a conversation, without invitation or consent. Examples.
Do you know how disgustingly entangled our lives will be if our parents turn into a real couple?
Yes. You think I want you and your mom horny in on the Boyle Boys mimosa brunches? That's our guy time.
Ugh.
When those three tag-alongs invited themselves, they invaded my territory like a bunch of bay-breasted warblers.
Darned if I didn't feel like a bay-breasted warbler horning in on Jay's trip, but Gloria made us go.
She was worried about my dad being out in the woods alone at his age, so she gently nudged us to join him.
And if you don't mind, don't mention my name. Please get a little funny about private investigators horning in on their business. They can have all the credit.
You think I want you and your mom horny in on the Boyle Boys mimosa brunches?
And again, what exactly is the good of me horning in on his territory?
Darned if I didn't feel like a bay-breasted warbler horning in on Jay's trip, but Gloria made us go.